Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope so you all are fine, good and enjoying the best conditions of your health. So dear ladies and girls, today I am back again with another very stylish and trending collection of handbag designing ideas within crochet made. So if you love to wear crochet, if you love to wear crochet made bag designs, handbag designs, so this video is going to be very useful for you, very helpful for you. So in this video, you will be find out different types of handbag designing ideas for ladies and girls. So these are the best and latest collection today I have collected for you in this video. So must watch this video till the end for getting new ideas and new designs of handbags. And if you are loving these designs, dear ladies, so please do support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives. And if you are new on my channel, so please do also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get my notifications. So after getting my notifications, you will never miss any idea, any collection, any design, any video on my channel. I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you dear ladies, so don't forget to tell me in the comment section how was this video, how was this designs of crochet made handbag ideas, and which type of more collection you want to watch on my channel, which type of more videos will be useful for you, helpful for you. Tell me in the comment section. I'm very thankful to you for your kind appreciation on my previous videos. Thank you so much for your kind support. Thank you so much for your positive feedback. So keep supporting me, keep visiting on my channel and keep sharing my video. So thank you so much dear ladies and girls for watching my video. Please keep visiting on my channel for more collection, for more ideas, for more designs, and don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye dear ladies till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and design for you. So till then take good care of yourselves and goodbye till the next video.